The section we put up yesterday where the advisor does that, that's where everybody gets together and hangs out, is all being destroyed. Look at that. So that full day yesterday, all being destroyed. All of it ripped to shreds. So we're not going to be doing this part now.
Good morning everyone, another fine day. Weather come down last night. In fact, I've just look what we've got here. Morning, alright boys?
Yeah.
Not bad. Morning, alright. Oh, is this a new vehicle then? We've just acquired this vehicle actually on Friday. Matt's is off at road getting, I think it's something to do with radiator, but this is going to be Lloyd's anyway. So we thought we'd invest in another little van. Seems tidy enough, doesn't it? First look I've actually had at it. Yeah, not bad at all that. That'll do, we'll get it signed written up I think. Where was I? Yeah, so what we got on this week, lads are just doing a little timber domestic job, just sticking some palings on, and then they're going to do repair at a school, just a couple of panels, and then they're going to actually come back and get rid of a scrap and a timber, do a bit of a timber run and stuff we've got piled up there. Matt's actually sick of it, he can't get in his little cabin. So they're going to do that this afternoon. And then tomorrow we're over in Kirklees for Jupiter, hopefully. We've been there once already and we're going over there and they weren't ready for us. So yeah, they're going back to do that tomorrow. We've got the Palisades under there, so they'll have to move that stuff anyway. And then rest at week, actually starting at where my wife works, Carlton Bolling. You've probably seen me there a couple of times now. I've been waiting on the crank post, which is supposed to be coming today. I've been waiting nearly 10 weeks, I believe. Come on guys, step it up, it's not good enough for that 10-week lead time. If I'd have known at the time of ordering, I could have got them elsewhere, but anyway, live and learn. So yeah, another week. Like I say, we've got a few puddles in the yard this morning. It didn't half come down during the night last night, I could hear it in bed. So yeah, we'll keep you informed as we go along.
So, good morning. We're over in Wyke today, me and Baggy. Jamie's off today. He's off actually all week. He's over in sunny Tenerife on holiday, so he'll be back next week. Sent us some photos, it does look nice. So what we're doing today is we've already done work over here for Margaret. Basically we're just adding pails to this side. This isn't our fence. We're just going to be adding pails. Baggy's just strung a line out now, because as you can see the person who added these ones obviously didn't do it with a line, they're all over the place. So we're going all the way down here, all the way to end, and this is what we did last time we were here. So we did that last time we were here, looking nice still. We'll say this one at this side she's asked for no capping, so we're going all the way down, and yeah, we'll get this done. Two nail guns on us. Maggie's getting it set up now, and we'll be out of here about an hour's time. Alright, so first job on Monday complete. So I did the palings to this side. Obviously we haven't put this fence up, bear this in mind. So we found out while we were going down that some pails on the other side had a gap like that, some had a gap like that. She requested that she didn't want to see through it. So what we've done is obviously we haven't put them on level, we've just covered the gaps for her. And what's basically she was more bothered about that than anything else. But line just to come down, and on to the next job. All that's done. Obviously some of the gaps had to have a pail quite close. This section were done as well. And all the way down here, and all the way to end. Even did this side for her. So yeah, good job. Let's go on to the next one. Quick video, me and Baggy are on job. Got a couple of bays of Palisade to put in. It's going to be going down there, around, back, tying onto there. Good job for the day. It's beautiful weather, absolutely peeing it down. So yeah, we'll crack on, and we'll see you soon. Right, another job complete. Well, Jamie's loving life and holiday. We're stuck in rain. You can tell I'm not jealous at all. No, we're done here. Looking very nice. Looking very nice.
Good afternoon. Oof. Been in that office all day. It's lovely out here now actually. Well, it did rain a bit earlier, just when we loaded van up for some scrap. Justin's just gone to take it. Baggy shot off actually, had to go pick his young one up. Got back here with him and he thought he was just having him on. Get home early, but he was throwing up into like a little bowl, bless him. And then I've just copped 2 little jobs that we quoted last week before, timber jobs. So yeah, it's starting to get really busy again at the minute. So I'm just waiting on in yard here for Justin, just about to lock up, and that's it. And we'll catch you tomorrow. Hey up now then. Start of another day, another job. We're just Carlton Bolling School at Undercliff in Bradford. Back to where my wife works. You might have seen us working here before. I think you saw me actually doing a survey here. So good morning, wifey. Hope you're well. I think she's busy doing exams at the minute. So yeah, what we got on today, we're just getting set up here, and basically we've got some crank posts to go over this wall. Kids keep hanging about here and setting fires and stuff. Yeah, we're just gonna fence this little bit off here with crank posts over this wall. Baggy's just getting set up there, and then the other side here, we're actually going to utilise these panels because again kids keep getting on here and messing about. So we're going to take these panels down, move them over to here, but we're going to have crank posts on the wall the same, so the panels will sit flush more or less here, and it basically goes all the way down there with some gates and that. So yeah, an interesting one. Although we've been warned already by the school that probably get some hassle doing this bit because literally they hang about here and have fires and stuff like that, so probably end up burning fence down, but let's see how we get on. At least we've got 2 big lads here to sort them out. We're just going to go to there and square it up to there for now.
Meanwhile,
good afternoon, YouTubers. Just over in Tenerife. It's a nice ambient 31 degrees today, a little bit cloudy. Living it large. Just looking at some V-mesh over here. I'll show you this in a minute. I don't know how to switch my phone from. Bear with me. Right, Wayne. Yeah. So what we've got here, it looks like a 2 metre panel set up. Never seen these posts before. Little clips. Had an extension put on top, concreted into wall. Thick steel, it's like a 5mm. So yeah, hope you're all having a great day, and we'll see you soon.
Just looking at a little job here. It's a lovely place. It took some finding actually. It's right side of canal, river, sort of on one of the main roads going into Huddersfield, and you don't even know it's here. And look at this lovely sort of big house here, and then I don't know if you can see canal there and river here. Look, what a lovely spot. Basically just, I don't know if you can see containers there, want some fencing off, so he's got bits and bats stored in there, and I think kids are trying to break in. So we're just going to sort of fence around it for him with a bit of a gate. But yeah, what a lovely spot it is down here, just nicely out of way. So yeah, I'll get back to office now and get this quoted up for him and see how we get on.
So we're here at Carlton Bolling School doing some fencing, so all this will be sectioned off all the way around up on wall, and then you got all this section down here to do as well. So that's staying. What's going to happen, crank posts all the way down, all the way in, dug into the floor and then off that wall and all the way down, and it goes all the way down there. So that's the job we're doing today, well, for the rest of the week.
12 12 seconds later.
Alright, me and Baggy on job. Got all that to do yet, and down a couple of gates, but let's show you so far.
So it's 2.4 cracked balls on the wall. These panels are actually slightly different. They're actually 2.5 metres, usually it's 3 metres.
But the section we put up yesterday, you'll probably see it on Mark's video as well, the section we put up yesterday where the advisor does that, that's where everybody gets together and hangs out, is all being destroyed. Look at that. So that full day yesterday, all being destroyed. They've had some outside at posts. Look at that. All of it ripped to shreds. So we're not going to be doing this part now. So we're just going to be leaving that and coming up with a solution, maybe stronger fencing. But so yeah, we'll crack on. This is where we started this morning. It's where we are now. We want to be double this again now. Brought another 12 posts with me, so that'll be a late one, but we'll get it smashed out.
We did, and then you see what they've done. Well, we pulled it down here, but I mean, at least that we know our posts are in solid. This is still up, but look at that. For them to actually snap that, I think what they've done is been hitting them with these road signs here, and they must have been ragging it ages. But look, panels are just what they reckon. The locals, they want this land out young and hang about here, smoking drugs or doing whatever they do. But look, they've had a go at them all. You know, so been at this a while last night. Oh, it might look lovely this bit as well. We've got it looking really nice, but look what they've done. They've just been ragging it. So what they do is they like to sit on this wall here. So they've made a bit of a mess. So the main guy from the school's just come out. They've informed the police and local leaders and everything like that. But yeah, I mean, look at the state of it. You know, this were all lovely and neat. So we're basically leaving this bit for now. We've been told just leave it for now. I think they're going to cut all these bushes back and all these trees down, so hopefully the CCTV can get them. So we'll leave this bit for now, and we're going to start on this bit there. Hopefully this bit will be okay, because it'll be covered on CCTV, and then we're going to work our way down the hill there. But yeah, it's not good, is it? You know, such is life. So obviously it's going to cost the school a bit more. He's having a bit of a meeting there. You can see him in the background, the main man and the grounds guys. Actually my wife phoned me last night and says it's swinging on your new fence. So I informed them here, and they come up, but obviously you can't challenge them these days. There's that many of them hanging about.
Oh, just a quick video. We're just packing up for the day now, and this is what the job's looking like. This. Friday afternoon now. I've just been to tool repair shop actually. Stuck still, so keep getting the same problem. It's a bit of a nightmare. Lads are cutting some posts down, it's gone again. Yeah mate, same problem with Stiller. Actually that part there is boiling hot, and that little plastic bit what goes inside snapped. Literally that's it there. Okay, they're just literally little plastic things, they just disintegrate mate. Look at the heat on it.
I just got it mended last week before. I'll turn it around so you can. But this casing, it's a common problem. When you pull that to start it, the pulls well, he's actually swapped the casing with one of his higher saws for me, because we keep getting the same problem. Ours were obviously a new unit, it's a fairly new saw this, so he swapped it because there's like a little plastic snib that goes in it. It's a bit of a design fault, I think. It should be like metal, and basically when you pull it, start it, that keeps snapping. Now, like I say, it's a fairly new saw, that, you know, it's serviced regular, and that shouldn't be happening. But anyway, so Dale at DT Power, bless him, he swaps the casing for one of his spare saws that he hires out, no charge or anything. So good on you, Dale, thank you. And yeah, so hopefully that'll be back up and running, and he's had to give me a spare little plastic snib, so we know how to do it themselves, it happens that much. So yeah, so I'm just going to put it in here now. The lads are coming back actually to get the gate posts for Carlton Bolling where they're working, so we can get them in, and then they've got the weekend to go off. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me anyway. If you haven't noticed, I've just had me sorry, I've just had a bit of a trim at barber's on my way back as well. Just got to get my beard done now, and we're all good for the weekend. So we'll leave it there. Hopefully the lads will get some more footage, but whilst you're here, give us a like, because it really does help the channel out, and whilst you're there, why not subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.